Story research indicates this vehicle as having best-in-class fuel economy. Features also include stability control, anti-theft security system. With these ratings, we are pleased to show you 2017 Mirage. The Mirage from Mitsubishi Motors is classified as a subcompact car. The Mirage is a car you want for easy parking, decent cargo space, and surprising mileage. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, keyless entry, traction control, anti-lock braking system, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, driver airbag, floor mats, AM/FM stereo radio, rear defrost. Come take a test drive today.